In professional finance studies, today we will discuss formulas and functions, lookup functions, combined lookup and matched functions, dependent drop-down using direct functions. So what is lookup functions? Use lookup functions to look up a value in a one column and retrieve a value from the same position in another column or one row range. When we have to search information with two criteria, we can use the combination of lookup and match functions. Use the combination of index and match functions to search right to left or left to right. The direct function returns a reference to a range. Today we will discuss only lookup function. So let's start with an Excel file. This is a sample data. We like to search profit for a specific ID. So now we can use VLOOKUP function. Use equal sign VLOOKUP. We have to look this employee ID, then use comma. Select all the area. This is table array, that means this ID will search from this column. That's why we have to select from A column to L column. This is the table array, then use comma. So I like to return profit. So the column number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To type 9, use comma. I need exact match with this ID, that's why use false. Close the parenthesis, press enter. See, the ID is 1000021. 1000021. The profit is 36. This is how we can find any value by using VLOOKUP function. Now we'll use the combination of VLOOKUP and match functions. Use VLOOKUP. Find this value from this location to this location. If it is match profit, so use match function. Match function. Lookup value, that means I like to find profit, then comma. Find this profit from these headings, use comma. I like to exact match, that's why use 0. Close the parenthesis, use comma. I like to match this ID exactly, that's why use false, that means exact match with this ID. Close the final parenthesis, then press enter. In this function we will get different facilities, that means if I type cost, the cost result will come out. This is the cost result. If I type salary, the result has changed. This is the facility of combination of VLOOKUP and match function. Use VLOOKUP and error function. First we use VLOOKUP function. Use VLOOKUP. Just simple VLOOKUP. Use this cell position. I like to find from this cell position, then comma, then use 9, then comma. This is the cost price. But if this ID is not exist in this list, the result will be not available. In that time we can use error function. If error, that means the result if error, we can show any message like use inverted comma not found. close the parenthesis, then press enter. If I have the correct ID, it has changed the result. This is how we can use VLOOKUP with match function, VLOOKUP with error function, and we can use this trick. Now we will use a trick with a VLOOKUP function. We need to search by name and region also, and we need to find out the result, salary or profit. With the two criteria we can use a trick. That means we can insert a new column, name join, and join it equals to this cell position, and join with the ampersand sign. Use again ampersand sign and use this cell position. It will join two columns. Then copy it to downwards. Now we will use VLOOKUP function. Use equal sign VLOOKUP. Use the same trick. This cell position, use ampersand, inverted comma, slash, use ampersand, and this cell position. Now we will select from this cell position to this cell position. That means we will search from this column. Then use comma. The result would be profit or salary. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 will be profit. Then 7 comma exact match. So use false. Close the parenthesis. Then press enter. Then 30 North Mahin. This is the result. We can use another trick. That means this column number we can use a cell position, like this cell position, then press enter. If I type 6, the result would be cost. That means 120. If I type 8, it will salary. Now we'll go for the next slide. Extra VLOOKUP. That means VLOOKUP and more. We can find values by using HLOOKUP. That means we need October's information. So use equal sign HLOOKUP. That means horizontal lookup. VLOOKUP means vertically lookup value. We have to look up October from this location to this location. We have to select all this range. Use comma. Row index means this row number 1, then result would be second row, that means 2, comma exact match, use false, close the parenthesis, then press enter. October 7500. If I type July, the result would be 10,200. Go for the next. In this scenario, I need a sum result of these 3 columns. So that means sum with VLOOKUP function equals to sum, use parenthesis, VLOOKUP, look up this month from this area to this area. This is the table array, use comma. Now I have to include 3 columns. The way to add 3 columns, use second bracket, the second column, third column and fourth column. 2, 3, 4, then close the second bracket. This is the column index. In the previous slide, we only used 2 or 3 or 7 or 9. But I like to sum second column, third column and fourth column also. That's why system is like this way. Use comma, use false. And close the parenthesis. Now we will have to press Shift Control Enter. Not only enter, Shift Control and enter. The month of May, the summary of 3 columns, 66,300, 66,300. If I type January, the result has changed. 2,21,200. This is how we can use VLOOKUP and SUM function also. In this case, we have a commission table and we like to calculate this. So use these cells into the corresponding commission. That means VLOOKUP this amount from this table, use comma, the result would be from second column 2, then comma. Now we do not have the exact matched information from this column, that's why we have to use true. That means approximate nearest match, that's why we have to use true. We have to fix this table by pressing F4 and close the parenthesis, then press enter. 50,500, there is no commission, that's why the result is 0. Copy it to downwards. 8,500, there is no commission, that's why not available. So now we can use if error function. If the result is error, we like to say 0, then close the final parenthesis, then press enter. Copy it to downwards. This is how we can use VLOOKUP function with true argument. Go for the next case. In this case, we like to share different examples. That means we have product bikes, racks, mountain bikes, cargo bike. That means we have different types of product with bike. That means that is not unique product with bike. Now we can use VLOOKUP function. Use equal sign VLOOKUP. This cell position, ampersand, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, ampersand. This cell position, comma. I have to select this cell position to this cell position, then comma. I like to see the cells, that's why type 2, then comma, use false, close the parenthesis, then enter. This is the result. If I change cargo, it has changed the result. This is how we can use join formula. This is how we can use VLOOKUP function, HLOOKUP function, join and match function also to find any information.